What is up guys, Dennis here from NiuxTech, and today we're gonna review and compare free portable electric juicers from Xiaomi sub-brands. As always, we're gonna do some testing, and at the end of the video I will choose a winner based on our results. I will leave all the links and discount coupon codes in description, so check them out later. Let's get into it. Just before we start with unboxing, I would like to mention that recently I have been working pretty intense on my new Facebook page. If you're interested in the best deals, lowest prices and discount codes for consumer electronics, make sure you like and follow NiuxTech on Facebook. Check out the link in the description down below this video. So on the table we have three different electric juicers, one from 17 Pine, another from Pinlo, and last one from Deerma. Based on the boxes, 17 Pine and Pinlo in the white ones look more premium, while the smallest brown box feels a bit cheaper. But these are only boxes, let's see the real stuff inside. Now, as you can see, the package of all those three juicers are pretty similar. We have USB charging cables, manual books and portable electric juicers. Add to that, you will also find a handy cleaning brush in Deerma box, and inside of a Pinlo there are two screwable caps for your convenience. When it comes to the main specs, these are a difference. Deerma Juicer takes 3 hours to fully charge, can provide up to 10 cups of juice, has capacity of 300 ml, battery is rated at 1200 mAh, has 45 watts motor, weighs only 360 grams and it's priced at around 20 bucks. While Pinlo Juicer, charging time is around 2 hours, can provide up to 30 cups of juice, has 350 ml capacity, 2000 mAh battery, 70 watts motor, and on a bit heavier side with 522 grams. Can be found for 35 bucks. Finally, Juicer from 17 Pine takes 2 hours charging time, provides 15 cups of juice, has 300 ml capacity glass, 1400 mAh battery, 66 watts motor, and weighs almost half kg. It can be found for approximately $30. In case you want to have a wide review between those three juicers, here's what I have noted as well. Deerma and Pinlo has 4 blades, while 17 Pine has only 3. Only Deerma has rubber holding stripe and cleaning tool added. Only Pinlo has 2 cover caps to protect blades and close the glass. 17 Pine has innovative magnetic charging cable, while other 2 has standard micro USB. 17 Pine has a glass cup, while others use plastic material for that. And to finish up, Pinlo and 17 Pine has white matte color finish, while Deerma has glossy white plastic. Now let's jump to our blending test, starting with some watermelon cubes. As you can see, all juicers are capable to blend a watermelon. In order to have more smooth blending experience, I suggest to add some water, as it will help blades more easily to chop the fruit bites. Also, make sure you properly attach cups to the main bodies, as on my first test I had some juice leakage on 17 Pine juicer, but that's just because of my fault. For better results and smoother juice, I would also run 2 cycles of 30 seconds, but at the end it depends on your personal preference and taste. On my second test I have used kiwi, banana and milk. No problems at all. The only difference I have noticed is that Deerma Juicer was not able to blend kiwi seeds, while 17 Pine and Pinlo did chop them in at least 2 or 3 parts. Despite that, every juicer did a great job and I have no complaints whatsoever. Yummy! Lastly, I wanted to see how well those juices can provide a protein shakes. So here we go, my favorite double rich chocolate taste protein and some proper fat milk. As you can see, once again we have received pretty similar results. Even though there are some power and blade knife difference between those three juicers, all we managed to smoothly blend and mix protein powder with milk. Of course, some minor parts of powder got stuck to the side of the cups, it's not a big deal. Before we come up with final results, let's talk about protection features. All three juicers have protection against accidental start button press, meaning that blender motor will be only activated by quick double press. To make things more safe, by the help of smart sensors, blades will not start spinning unless main body and cup is properly attached to each other. Last but not least, all of our tested juicers are waterproof and has washable body, so general maintenance is pretty easy. Generally, all my tested portable electric juicers match their price tags. If I had to select the best one out of those three, it would be Pinlo due to its largest cup capacity, most powerful motor and largest battery. When it comes to the best design award, no doubt 17 Pinlo would take it. This blender also has innovative magnetic charging solution, which was something I did not expect from juicer. Finally, Deerma, the most compact and affordable electric juicer, is a great selection for those who's looking for a best bang per buck. I hope you liked this comparison video, and if you do have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Give some support to this channel by hitting thumbs up and subscribe buttons. This was Nellis from NiuxTech, and I will see you next time.